Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access Tools folder and click on Clock. Now, usually you need to choose Agree or Allow in the pop-ups and then click on this clock icon over here. After that, tap on the +1 and set up an hour. When you're ready, you need to choose Repeat and select once, daily, Monday to Friday or Custom. I will go with Custom, so now when I click on it, I can choose days of the week manually and save them by tapping on OK. Then click on the switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds to enable or disable vibrations and choose Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, click on OK and tap on Ringtone. Then you can select choose local ringtone over here and pick one of the sources from your device, in my case File Manager. Then click on Agree and Continue, choose Allow and pick song from your device by tapping on the best one for you, clicking OK over here at the bottom and then selecting Apply next to it. But you can also apply one of those ringtones by clicking on Apply as well. Then go back twice and click at the top right corner on the check mark. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and selecting one of those options, but you can turn it back on by tapping on the same one. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it, then select the one that you wish to get rid of and click on Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!